So to release the birds, I highly recommend first you find where you want to do it, and then you reserve the location. On the app, these are different nests that you can reserve. Once you reserve it, then you go and you need to be within 35 feet of the location, and you essentially park the scooters like I just did, and after you park it, you then go to your list and click the ones that you're going to release to it. If it has the new scooter, the newest one, which is a Segway type scooter, this one right here, you have to have it turned on before you can actually release it. So that's important. Oh, and also when you click the on button, you change the different settings from regular speed, faster, to really fast. So if you think it's going slow, just change it through that. After you release your scooters, then you just wait. Within a day or two, you will get paid. So what you just saw was me dropping off 3 bird scooters at a nest here in Hillcrest, San Diego off 5th. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's pretty quick. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Have a good day.